I'm Ryan, Dig It Excavating. Today we are heading out to Niles, Michigan to take our Hydrovac truck out there to clean out some of their catch basins.